Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Crypto News Weekly Roundup. Your host here, Matt Zahab. Rachel is on vacation. Rachel, hope you were having an absolute blast today in the Big Apple in New York City. Solo dolo episode today, guys. Let's jump into it. I mean, last week we asked for a couple more green candles. We had a couple good weeks in a row, and it was an absolute bloodbath. Can't win them all. Let's get into the price action here. Bitcoin down 5 ticks to 111.7. Per BTC, ETH down 13 ticks to 4K, XRP down 8 ticks to 285, Sol down 18%. Wowza, that's a big one. Doge down 17%, Cardano and Chainlink both down 13% as well. Most of this happened over the last couple hours, couple days to be honest. As usual, I'm recording on Thursday. This will be live on Friday. This came out due to some weak Fed data, which usually means that we will not get the rate cut that we want. And obviously there are escalated war tensions. It seems like there's a lot of nuclear drills going on, and the Russia-Ukraine war appears to be revamping and vamping up as well. So hopefully that ends soon. Praying for everyone there. Let's get into it. Big regulatory news week. This week, pretty wild stuff here. The U.S. lawmakers are pressing the SEC to implement President Donald Trump's recent executive order that opens up the $12.5 trillion, yes, that is $12.5 trillion, 401k retirement market to alternative assets, which include cryptocurrency. This was stated and dated on September 22nd by House Financial Services Committee Chairman French Hill and Ranking Member Maxine Waters, and they really want the SEC to open the floodgates here. Pretty wild stuff. Speaking of SEC, the SEC is preparing to introduce what could be one of the most significant shifts in crypto oversight to date. Chairman Paul Atkins confirmed that by year-end, the agency intends to roll out an innovation exemption designed to let crypto firms bring new products to market without immediately facing what he described as burdensome or incompatible regulatory requirements. He wants to create, and I quote, a stable platform upon which firms can introduce their products, aka open the floodgates and launch whatever you want as long as it is legit and not a rug. Pretty wild stuff here. The biggest Solana DATCO in the space, Forward Industries, that Rachel and I told you guys about a couple of weeks ago, is moving and grooving at a crazy clip right now. Forward Industries, the world's largest Solana-focused treasury co., has announced plans to tokenize its stock on the Solana blockchain through Superstate's opening bell platform. The move positions the NASDAQ-listed firm to become one of the first public companies to issue tokenized equity directly on chain. Galaxy and Jump would bankroll Ford's leap into Superstate's Solana rails, turning NASDAQ equity into 24/7 tradable crypto. Again, that is backed by public equity. Pretty cool stuff here. Visa, Stripe, and Fold are turning everyday swipes into sats as Visa's network and Stripe issuing back Fold's Bitcoin-only rewards card, offering 3.5 cash back. Pretty cool stuff here. The new product, revealed in a Tuesday press release, is designed to make earning Bitcoin from everyday purchases accessible to mainstream consumers by integrating with Visa's global payments network and Stripe's issuing infra. Pretty cool stuff here. MetaMask token, bit of a throwback. I remember 2021, heck, 2020, 1, 2, maybe even 3. MetaMask was the you-know-what. It was the SHIT. It was it. Everyone used it. Everyone loved it. It's not really the case anymore, but during the news this week, Joseph Lubin, CEO of Consensys, hinted that the MetaMask token launch is imminent and could be sooner than expected. In an interview with The Block, the Ethereum co-founder said the Mask token is coming. It may come sooner than you think, and it is significantly related to the decentralization of certain aspects of the MetaMask platform. MetaMask used to be incredible. It's really not that good anymore. I don't really know what else to say here, but they sort of lost their lead. Everyone used to love it. I still think they got one of the best logos in all crypto, but it's definitely not the best wallet anymore. And hopefully all of us will get an airdrop. More wild stuff here. Hyperliquid back in the news. Hyperliquid also got wrecked this week. Very volatile. MetaMask, which we just talked about, I believe it is still the most widely used self-custody crypto wallet, has put in perps with Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid is obviously the best perp DEX in the world. And now 3 wallets, Phantom, Rabi, and MetaMask, have integrated Hyperliquid's perps platform, which is pretty cool and allows you to trade perps inside of your MetaMask wallet, not making a bridge and go to Hyperliquid mainnet. Really cool stuff here. Moving forward, last bit of news this week, guys. Quantum, is it here? Not yet, but it's probably coming. Solana co-founder Anatoly Yakovenko urged Bitcoin to accelerate its quantum-resistant upgrades, warning that there's a 50% chance of a quantum breakthrough within 5 years that could compromise existing cryptographic security. This was at the All-In Summit last week. He said that AI acceleration makes the timeline from research to implementation, and I quote, astounding. Current quantum machines have around 1,000 qubits, but experts estimate thousands or millions would be needed to threaten crypto security. The current timeline, I believe, is 2029. With current AI acceleration, this could very well be done in 2027 or 2028. The first and most low-hanging fruit would most likely be Satoshi's dormant wallet with 1 million Bitcoin in it. Let's hope we get our ducks in a row before then. That's pretty much it for news this week, guys. I guess Plasma is also launching today on Thursday. When Palo Ardoino backs something, you usually don't bet against it. Plasma is turned out to be not just a crypto, but a neobank. That's going to be really interesting. And I will myself will probably be grabbing some Plasma. Again, NFA, not financial advice, but you do not bet against that man. And these guys have an incredible team as well. Some more Aster drama this week. CZ pumping the chart, doing some wild stuff there. Otherwise, everyone involved in the wars around the world, we're praying for you. Please be safe. We love you guys, and we hope everything is okay there. And again, hopefully we have a good green next week. When we record next week, it will be October. Historically, October has been the best month of crypto, and hopefully we get another huge October. That is it for this week's weekly roundup. Rachel, I missed you. Way more fun doing this with you than without you. To the viewers and the listeners, we appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, it means the world to my team and I. Speaking to the team, thank you guys for everything. To listeners, hammer that like button if you guys like this one. Hammer that subscribe button. As always, we'll see you every Friday with the biggest, hottest, and baddest crypto news of the week. Love you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you on the next one. Ciao.